Are your knees affecting your sleep and quality of life? Why is it important to take care of our knees? The knees are the largest, most complex, and most stressed joints vital for movement. The knees are hinge joints that are responsible for weight bearing and allows our lower legs and foot to swing easily forward or back as we walk, run, drive, bend down, sit, or kick. Healthy knees are essential for us to live our everyday lives independently. Walking well makes us enjoy quality of life in socializing, sports, dancing, or holiday. Walking well makes us feel confident and happy. Walking well enhances natural beauty. Healthy knees and legs, healthy body. What causes chronic knees-related ailments? Poor fitting shoes or long-term use of high-heel shoes, strenuous exercises that causes strain on both knees, knees fully bent for an extended period of time like sitting at the desk, sitting on the floor with legs crossed. Flat feet can also cause strain on both knees. Knee injury, inflammation or arthritis, worn out cartilage or degeneration. Knees or legs related problem can affect sleep quality and quality of life. Having constant knee pain, knee swelling and tenderness, difficulty in straightening or bending knees, popping or snapping sensation due to meniscus tear or loose cartilage, knock knees or bow legs, knee injury or cast. Sleep well and live well with Energer Therapeutic Knee Brace. The Energer Therapeutic Knee Brace uses a natural mineral that has a natural property to emit far infrared energies, negative ions, and alpha wave. This mineral can naturally convert water into alkaline water. It's integrated into the fiber of these knee braces using nanotechnology. The Energer Energy Fiber emits far infrared rays for acupuncture effect around the knees to improve energy flow and clear energy blockage, repair, and regenerate new tissues. It releases negative ions to improve microcirculation in the knees to promote the absorption of oxygen and nutrients to the surrounding tissues. It is beneficial for daytime use and nighttime use to improve blood flow and energy flow to the knees while walking, sitting on wheelchair, or lying in bed. It helps increase blood circulation, improve blood and energy flow. It keeps the knees warm. It reduces inflammation and swelling. It reduces knee discomfort. It keeps the knee joints lubricated and flexible. It strengthens the knee muscle. It provides natural pain relief like acupuncture effect. It is best recommended for those suffering from chronic knee pain like arthritis, knee swelling and tenderness, knee injury, knee degeneration, or weak knees.
I'm Aziza Jalaluddin. I'm the co-founder of Shine EDA and knowledge partner of ABCI. I had a very bad fall the other day and both my knees were badly hurt. So I fell on my knee and then my chest. So it was so bad that I couldn't walk. And for many days I was not even getting out of my house and was feeling a lot of pain. One of my knees badly bruised and the other knee was very, very swollen, and it was like difficult for me to climb the stairs and everything. So I was so happy that I got the Energer knee guard. It was so wonderful because I just put it on both my knees and then I went to bed, and I also used the socks so that it can like help me sleep better. I was really in pain for the few days I couldn't even sleep. So with the Energia, early in the morning when I woke up, it was quite a miracle. First thing I felt was a lot of heat on my knees, and that felt very soothing and relieved me of my pain. And then when I woke up in the morning, it was like, wow, after so many days of not being able to walk properly, I was able to walk quite normal, and even climbing stairs became much easier. So right now I'm so a fan of Energia because I'm feeling all the heat. I feel so well taken and comforted by the product, and I really love it and recommend to anyone who is in pain and would love to have a more soothing and pain relieving journey for their work and life. Thank you so much.